Hey there, welcome back. If you are stuck with that annoying blank page in Word that just will not go away, well, I feel you. It looks bad when you print and even worse when you try to export to PDF, but do not worry because I am going to show you exactly how to remove it in just a few seconds. All right, let us start with the easiest fix. First, click anywhere on the blank page and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8. This shortcut shows all the hidden formatting marks like paragraph breaks, section breaks, and page breaks. You will probably see a little symbol or a line that says page break. If you see it, just click right before it and then hit delete. And it is gone. That is literally it for most cases. But if that did not work and the page is still there, it might be caused by extra paragraph marks. Still seeing that symbol? No problem. Scroll down to the blank page and check for a bunch of empty paragraph symbols. Click and drag to highlight them and then press backspace or delete. Still no luck? Okay, here is another reason you might see a blank page section breaks. These are sneaky. To remove a section break, just click right before the break line and press delete. But heads up, deleting a section break might mess up the layout on the previous page. So if your document uses different headers or footers, make sure to double check those after you delete the break. Now, if your blank page is showing up at the end of a table, that is a pretty common Word issue. Word forces a paragraph mark after every table. Sometimes that little mark gets pushed onto a new page. Here's what you do. Click right after the table, select the paragraph mark, and then change the font size to 1 and set the spacing to 0. It will not delete it completely, but it will hide it enough to pull the page back. Another trick you can try is to go to the Layout tab, click on Margins, and then choose Custom Margins. From there, reduce the bottom margins slightly to see if that helps bring the content back up and remove that blank page. Okay, final method. Sometimes your printer settings can create an extra blank page at the end. If your document looks fine in Print Layout view, but there is still an extra page when printing or exporting, then go to File, then Print, and make sure that Print on both sides or Manual Duplex is not causing the extra space. Alright, that covers all the ways you can remove a blank page in Word. Try them one by one depending on your situation. And remember, Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 is your best friend for weird formatting issues. If this helped you out, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple fixes just like this one. And if you are still having trouble, drop your question in the comments. I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.